Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming safety. Read the Raid Roach Bait label for pets, children, and surface limits so you place it legally and safely. Next, locate hotspots, follow grease trails, inspect behind the stove and under the sink, then clear food debris so roaches find the bait first. Place baits in cracks and under appliances, not in open floors. Use 1/2-inch gaps or corners where they travel. Once placed, avoid moving them for at least a week to let roaches discover the bait. You now shift to active monitoring. Inspect each bait station every 3 to 7 days and note whether the bait is gone, dusty, or contaminated, because that tells you if the product is working. Replace baits only when depleted or contaminated by dirt or water. Excessive moisture reduces effectiveness. Meanwhile, continue sanitation, vacuum crumbs, and repair leaks so roaches prefer bait over other food. Make short, consistent notes of dates and activity. To see trends, you finish by evaluating results after 2 to 4 weeks. Reduced sightings mean the colony is collapsing, but keep monitoring for 4 to 6 weeks before declaring success. If activity persists, reposition baits closer to active runs and remove hiding spots like cardboard. Roaches avoid dry open areas so placement matters. If you still see no effect, try a different bait location rather than adding more product. Troubleshooting tip: if bait appears untouched, make sure competing food is eliminated and moisture is controlled so roaches choose the bait.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.